In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove a member from your group in Outlook. If you manage a team or a project, keeping your group membership up to date helps ensure the right people have access to conversations, files, and calendars. Start by opening your browser and going to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, click All Microsoft to open the full list of apps. Then select Outlook. If you're prompted, click Sign In and enter your usual account credentials. If you're already signed in, you can continue right away. A quick tip, you'll need to be a group owner to add or remove members. If you don't see the options shown in this video, check your permissions or contact a group owner. Once Outlook opens, navigate to People. This is the contacts area in Outlook on the web and is where group management lives. From there, click Go to Groups to view the groups you own or belong to. Find and click the group you want to edit so you're working in the right place. To add someone, choose Add Members. In the field provided, type the email address of the person or people you want to add. As you type, Outlook may suggest matches from your organization. Make sure you select the correct contact. You can add multiple people here if needed. When you're ready, click Add to confirm the additions. Outlook will process the changes and the new members will be granted access to group resources. When you're done, click Close. It can take a few moments for changes to sync across Outlook, Teams, and SharePoint, so don't worry if it's not instant. To remove someone from the group, open the members list. Find the member you want to remove and click the X icon next to their name, then click Remove Member. When Outlook asks you to confirm, click Yes. This immediately revokes their access to the group's conversations, files, and calendar, and they'll stop receiving group emails. If the person still appears briefly, give it a moment for the update to propagate. A couple of helpful notes. Some organizations limit adding external guests, so if you need to add someone outside your company, your admin might need to allow it. Also, be thoughtful when removing members. If they're the only owner, make sure another trusted person has owner permissions before you proceed. That's it. Quick and straightforward group management right inside Outlook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.